Setting up the CRC SmartWasher. To get started, remove your CRC SmartWasher unit from the box. Inside, you'll find some basic instructions, an owner's manual, the warranty card, and a plastic wrench. Connect the nozzle to the flow control valve. Undo the Velcro strap to release the length of the cord. You'll notice some pins on either side of the unit. Remove the pins and lift the sink from the base of the unit. Inside the unit, make sure the hose is connected to the pump in the sink. Place the sink top back down and replace the pins to reattach the sink to the base of the unit. Remove the basket tray on top of the sink. Then, remove the false bottom to reveal the filter mat support tray. Remove the Aussie filter mat with microbes from its packaging. And place it color face down on top of the filter mat support tray. With your 5-gallon Aussie juice pail, turn the cap using the plastic wrench provided, unscrew the lid, and slowly pour in the Aussie juice solution. This CRC SmartWasher model has a 25-gallon capacity. This equates to 5 Aussie juice pails. Now, replace the false bottom, and then the basket tray. Make sure the power switch is off, then plug the CRC SmartWasher into a 120-volt power socket. You can now turn the power on to the unit by flicking the power switch. Pick up the parts brush and press the button to allow the fluid to flow through the brush. Your CRC SmartWasher is now warming up the Aussie juice to the initial setting of 105 degrees Fahrenheit and will be ready to clean parts in about 1.5 to 2 hours. For additional information, please contact your CRC SmartWasher representative.